Wine accessories for gifts in 2020. Have you gotten your holiday shopping done yet?
Well, not to worry, because today we're going to give you the top 5 holiday wine accessories for 2020.
Coming up. So in today's video, we're going to go over our top 5 favorite wine accessories for 2020. And be sure to check the description down below. We'll leave Amazon affiliate links to all the products we mentioned so you can check them out.
So let's get into it.
So our first favorite wine accessory for 2020 is a Wine Saver vacuum pump. So Olivia, what's a Wine Saver vacuum pump?
So the Wine Saver vacuum pump is a pump that removes air from the bottle of wine and the rubber stopper seals the bottle. It creates an airtight vacuum that preserves wine once the bottle has been opened, and it claims to keep wine fresh for up to 2 weeks. It also prevents the oxidation process that is responsible for the deterioration of wine.
So to use the Wine Saver vacuum pump, you first take the rubber stopper and place it into the bottle. Then you use the pump to pump the air out of the bottle until you hear a click. Then when you want to drink your wine, you just take the rubber part on top of the bottle, kind of bend it to the side to release the pressure, take the rubber stopper out, and you're good to go. So why is this wine accessory a good gift idea?
So this is a really good gift idea because it's very durable. It tolerates prolonged use and regular use. And we've had this product for about a year and it works just as good as when we bought it. But also don't forget this is hand wash only, so don't put it in the dishwasher.
Also, if you're the type of person, or if you're going to give it as a gift to the type of person that only drinks 1 or 2 glasses out of a bottle of wine, this is perfect for them. So in our experience, this really helps to preserve a red bottle of wine for up to around 2 days and a white bottle of wine for 5 to 7 days. So be sure to check it out down below.
So number 2 on our top 5 wine accessories for 2020 is the Üllo Wine Purifier. So what is the Üllo Wine Purifier?
So this wine accessory helps to filter sulfites from wine. The Ullo Wine Purifier comes with 4 filters that are designed to trap only sulfites from wine, but nothing else. Ullo is made to give the option to aerate your wine as well. Ullo also claims that by using this product and filtering out the sulfites from wine, it can help to prevent you from getting a headache from wine the next day. So why is the Ullo Wine Purifier a great wine accessory as a gift?
So it's a great wine accessory gift because it's good quality, it's well made, really easy to clean. It comes with a tray for dripping so you won't make a mess, and it comes with really nice packaging which makes it a great holiday gift.
It also comes with a little travel baggie too, which again just gives it a really nice touch and makes it look really nice. This wine purifier also gives you the option to aerate or not aerate your wine, and it's actually a really good aerator. And it's just a fun product to experiment with, to just see what wines taste like with sulfites as compared to without sulfites. So especially if you have somebody in the family that's a bit more of a wino, a bit more into wines, again, it's just a really fun thing to experiment with. If you want to learn more about the Üllo Wine Purifier and what sulfites are in wine, check out our previous video up above. So our next favorite wine accessories to be used as gifts in 2020 are a new set of wine glasses. We all know those people who have mixed and matched wine glasses or just totally out of date wine glasses. So these are our favorite to use. So Olivia, tell us more about these wine glasses.
So these are our favorite wine glasses. They are made in Italy. They come in a 4-piece set of either red wine glasses or white wine glasses, and they feature Italian crafted glass. They are made from a lead-free chemical composition that creates really clear and beautiful wine glasses. The large glasses with a wide bowl are perfect for red wine, allowing it to breathe properly, and they offer a more narrow bowl for the white wine glasses as well. So why are these wine glasses a good gift recommendation?
So these wine glasses are great because we've had these for, again, around a year or so, and the glass is still really clear on them, so you can barely even tell that we've used them. Another great thing about these wine glasses is that they're dishwasher safe. And especially if you've had a wine party the night before and then you've got all these dirty wine glasses, having them be dishwasher safe is a really nice thing. And they're also relatively affordable, so they're not super expensive like some wine glasses are. So if you want to learn more about the right type of wine glasses to buy, check out our previous video up above.
But wait, before we move on, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We post weekly content on wine tips and tricks for any level of wino to enjoy the world of wine. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new content. So next on our top 5 wine accessories for 2020 is a wine thermometer. So what is a wine thermometer?
So a wine thermometer helps ensure that you're serving your wine at the proper temperature. So remember, white wine should be served between 50 to 60 degrees, and red wine should be served at a temperature between 60 to 70 degrees. When you chill a wine to the proper temperature, it makes the alcohol taste less prominent. It can also soften the tannins and make the wine taste smoother overall. So why is the wine thermometer a good gift idea?
So it's a great gift idea because it's a flexible stainless steel thermometer. It fits on most sizes of wine bottles, and then it just illuminates what your wine temperature is. So it's pretty easy, and it's a good hack for any level of wino.
And remember, serving your wine at the proper temperature is probably one of the easiest things you can do to make a less expensive bottle of wine taste better. Also, if you want to learn more about chilling your wine to the proper temperature, check out our previous video up above. So, our last favorite wine accessory that can be used as a gift idea for 2020 is a wine opener, or more specifically, a waiter's corkscrew. So Olivia, tell us more about the waiter's corkscrew that we recommend.
So our waiter's corkscrew is a durable 3-in-1 multifunction tool. Now the one we have shown here is a single hinge corkscrew. However, the one that we recommend in our links below is going to be a double hinge corkscrew, and that makes it easier to open longer corks. It also has a long serrated foil cutter and a heavy-duty steel corkscrew, which is made to reduce the likelihood of the cork breaking or crumbling. Additionally, it has a stainless steel body with a comfort grip wood handle, which is a classic look. So why is this a good gift idea over other wine openers?
So, the waiter's corkscrew is a good gift idea over other wine openers because it's probably the most classic way to open up a bottle of wine. So especially if somebody's a bit newer to the world of wine, you want to make sure they have one of these. Waiters and sommeliers use these throughout the world. And again, if you want to look like you know what you're talking about, especially when opening up a bottle of wine, use a waiter's corkscrew. Then absolutely, explore the world of other wine openers and have a lot of fun with it. If you want to learn more about how to open up a bottle of wine properly using a waiter's corkscrew, check out our previous video up above.
And that's all you need to know about our top 5 wine accessory gift ideas for 2020. Do you have any gift ideas you swear by? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see.
And don't forget to check out the description too. We'll link to all the products we mentioned in this video down below.
We'll see you in our next video.
Cheers.